The separation of talent and skill is one of the greatest misunderstood concepts for people who are trying to excel, who have dreams, that want to do things. Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
So the next piece we're doing is down the front window and around the guard. So we're dealing with like one bend at the top window, which doesn't matter which direction. Then we're dealing with a bend going out, and then we're dealing with two bends coming in. So I've got a few measurements here of roughly where we want the bends to begin, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, so as you can see, that's how we want it. So now we want the next bend to be here somewhere. So this second bend, as you can see, we made it 90 degrees from the first bend. So that's ending where we want it to end. Now we want the bend to go downwards.
10 degrees. 15, 16, 17, 25, 28. On the dot.
As you can see, pretty good.
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. Where I excel
40.
is
On the dot.
ridiculous, sickening work ethic. You know, while the other guy's sleeping, I'm working. While the other guy's eating, I'm working. There's no easy way around it. No matter how talented you are, your talent is going to fail you if you're not skilled. You know, if you don't study, if you don't work really hard and dedicate yourself to being better every single day, you'll never be able to communicate with people, with your artistry, the way that you want. So, and he said, now don't you ever tell me it's something that you can't do.